Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting permissions and dependencies in place. Add record audio on Android and NS microphone usage description on iOS, then add a recording package such as record or Flutter sound to PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pubget. Once done, implement runtime permission requests using permission handler or platform APIs, because without granted permissions, the recorder won't start. Make sure to show a clear message on denial and an option to open settings. This avoids silent failures and gives the user control. You now initialize the recorder and configure audio parameters for quality versus size. Create the recorder object, verify encoder support and permissions, and set sample rate, channels, and bitrate. Pick WAV/PCM if you need raw uncompressed audio or AAC if you need smaller files. Next, open the output file or buffer using Path Provider to get a platform-safe temp path. Once ready, call Start Recorder with proper codec and stream callbacks so you can monitor amplitude and write chunks to disk or upload. You finish by stopping and cleaning up the recorder, saving the output, and validating the file. Call Stop Recorder, await the returned file path, close streams, and release resources so the OS can reuse the mic. Then immediately play the file to verify length and quality. If format issues appear, transcode with a plugin or FFmpeg. If recording fails, check runtime permissions, ensure sample rate and codec match device capabilities, and confirm no other app holds an exclusive audio session. These fixes resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.